I'm here to demonstrate how to take a representative soil sample from your vegetable garden. I've assembled the things I need to collect the sample, and that includes a large mixing bowl like you might have in your kitchen. It can be stainless steel or glass or Tupperware. You'll need something to get the sample out of the soil. I like to use a hori knife. You could also use a trowel. You'll need a container of some sort to put the sample in to send it to the laboratory, something with a lid that fits tightly. And it's also good to have a marking pen of some sort, like the Sharpie, to write an identifier on your sample, just in case you're taking a sample from more than one location in your yard. So here's the place where I'm going to take my sample, and I'm actually going to take a sample from 3 different locations in my yard to mix together to make a composite. That way the sample is representative of the soil in my garden and not just of one location where I take one sample. So here where I'm going to take this sample, if there's any mulch or other covering on top of the ground, I move that to the side with my hand, and then I dig a hole about 6 inches deep, 6 to 8 inches deep, which is the depth of the root zone for plants. So once I have the hole dug, I take the hori knife and I slip it down about 1 inch behind the wall of the hole. And then I tip the hori knife back so that I get a profile of the soil from the bottom of the hole to the top of the hole. And so that way I get both a vertical representative sample as well as a spatial representative sample by taking the sample from various locations. Then I take that sample and I put it in the mixing bowl. And you notice that there was soil in the mixing bowl before. That's because I'd already sampled in another location. So when you get your samples all together, you put it in the bowl and mix it really well. And then you can put it in your sample container, like so. So that's how you take a representative sample from your vegetable garden.